Blood, a life-sustaining river that flows through our bodies, delivering essential nutrients, oxygen, and more. But what makes up this incredible substance? Today, we'll embark on an in-depth exploration of human blood, its components, its types, and the vital roles they play in keeping us alive. Plus, we'll uncover some rare and intriguing facts that highlight the extraordinary complexity of this vital fluid. Blood is far more than a red liquid. It's a dynamic tissue made up of cells and a liquid medium, working together in perfect harmony. Making up roughly 7 to 8% of your body weight, an adult typically has about 5 liters of blood circulating through their body. But what exactly is in this life-sustaining fluid? Blood is composed of 4 key components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Each plays a critical role in keeping you healthy. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, are the most abundant cells in your blood. These small, disc-shaped cells are packed with hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen. They deliver oxygen from your lungs to every corner of your body and carry carbon dioxide back to your lungs for exhalation. Did you know that your body produces around 2 million new red blood cells every second? That's enough to replace the entire population of New York City every 15 seconds. White blood cells, or leukocytes, are your body's immune warriors. Though they make up less than 1% of your blood, they are essential for defending against infections, foreign invaders, and even cancer cells. Let's take a closer look at the 5 main types of white blood cells, each with a specialized role in your immune system. Neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most abundant type of white blood cell, comprising about 60 to 70% of all WBCs. They're the first responders to bacterial and fungal infections, quickly arriving at the site of injury to neutralize threats through a process called phagocytosis, where they engulf and digest harmful microorganisms. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes come in 2 main types: B cells and T cells. B cells produce antibodies, proteins that target specific invaders. T cells, on the other hand, attack infected cells directly or help regulate other immune responses. Together, they form the backbone of your adaptive immune system, learning to recognize and remember specific pathogens. Monocytes. Monocytes are the largest type of WBC. They patrol your bloodstream, ready to transform into macrophages or dendritic cells once they move into tissues. Macrophages engulf and destroy pathogens, while dendritic cells help activate other immune cells by presenting them with fragments of the invader. Eosinophils. Eosinophils play a key role in fighting parasitic infections and are involved in allergic reactions. They release enzymes that can break down the outer layers of parasites, protecting your body from harm. Basophils are the rarest type of white blood cell. They release histamine and other chemicals that help mediate inflammatory responses, especially during allergic reactions. Platelets clumping together to form a clot at the site of a wound. Platelets, or thrombocytes, are fragments of larger cells called megakaryocytes. They act as the body's emergency repair system, rushing to injury sites to form clots and stop bleeding. Without platelets, even a small cut could be life-threatening. Plasma is the yellowish liquid that makes up about 55% of your blood volume. It's 90% water and 10% dissolved substances, such as glucose, electrolytes, hormones, and waste products. Plasma acts as a transport medium, carrying nutrients to cells and waste products to the kidneys for excretion. Blood types are determined by the presence or absence of specific antigens on the surface of red blood cells. These antigens trigger immune responses if they are foreign to the body. This is why blood type compatibility is crucial for safe transfusions. There are 4 main types: A, B, AB, and O, each of which can be Rh positive or Rh negative, creating 8 possible combinations. O-negative blood is often called the universal donor because it can be given to patients of any blood type. AB positive, on the other hand, is the universal recipient, meaning individuals with this type can receive blood from anyone. Did you know that the distribution of blood types varies around the world? Type O is the most common globally, but type B is more prevalent in Asia, while type A is more common in Europe. AB negative is the rarest blood type worldwide. An even rarer phenomenon is the Rh null blood type, often called golden blood. It lacks all 61 Rh antigens and has been found in fewer than 50 people worldwide. This type is invaluable for transfusions in certain medical cases, but its rarity makes it difficult to obtain. Let's dive into some rare and fascinating facts about blood. After donating blood, your body replaces the plasma within 24 hours. Red blood cells take about 4 to 6 weeks to regenerate fully. While human blood is red, some animals have different blood colors. For instance, octopuses have blue blood due to hemocyanin, while certain worms and sea creatures have green or even purple blood. Studies show that mosquitoes prefer people with type O blood. If you've ever felt like a mosquito magnet, your blood type might be the reason. Blood is a marvel of nature, a complex and essential part of what makes us human. From delivering oxygen to defending against infections, it's a lifeline we often take for granted. If you found this exploration of human blood fascinating, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the wonders of the human body.